Hello, good day. Today I am for you with a new problem. A problem which every person may face in life. May, may not. uh, just some days before, a woman visited me and she was asking for my help. She said her brother was ill and she wanted me to help her brother to get health again. When I asked the problem, she said, physically, we feel that he is fit. There is no problem with him. He looks healthy and nice. But usually, he gets up in the nights and wanders here and there. At any time, he lifts up the fragmented sticks. In Hindi, they call dhoop, and begins to worship some god. We don't know what he worships. He is always restless. His face tells that he is mentally very much disturbed. He is sleepless. He is restless. He keeps mum. We are worried about his health. What will happen after him if something happens to this man? As usual, I told that daddy, don't worry, your brother will be okay. Let me begin now. This was a problem of a particular person. I will name this person Vikas Mishra. Well, when a person is physically weak, mentally weak, financially weak, naturally he is always worried. He is always worried about his family. If his sources of income are very low, he is always worried about his bread, how to make both ends meet. And in this situation, his mind is always disturbed. He is always in tension. His mental level of bearing the problems bravely is very low. Well, in this situation, if he encounters some painful incident, let us suppose he has to visit a house where recently someone has died and the members of the family are weeping. They are beating their head, they are beating their heart, crying because they have lost their dear and near. And this man goes there and watches all the painful scenes. Naturally, his mind would be affected by this. And his unrest will increase, his pain will increase, his agony will increase. He will be more and more disturbed. And a disturbed fellow, a man who is in worries, who is in tension, what can you expect from him? Remember, a weak body cannot bear troubles very much. Now take other situation. Let us suppose you are very strong physically. Your memory is very strong. You are very clever. You are very aggressive. You can impress people with your arguments, with your lectures, your lectures attract people. This is the second situation. Your mind is very active. Whatever you think, you speak frankly. And in the previous situation, a weak person is never fearless. He is always fearing some unknown things. Well, in the second situation where the man is very strong, man, mean it may be woman. His physique is strong, his wisdom is strong, he has very sharp memory, he has very clear vision. People believe him. What will happen? His confidence level increases very much. He becomes overconfident. And then this overconfidence pressurizes him to make claims which he can't fulfill, to make statements which he can't fulfill, which he can't prove. This is the second situation. Now, our economy, what is happening to it? Mr. Modi is he fulfills all the condition of, I have explained, of the second personality. He is very physically strong, he has a sharp memory, he has clear vision, he is very clever, he is very aggressive. All the qualities of a strong personality. He has fear of none. He has fear of none. Above all, he has fear of none. He has no worry about his financial conditions. Okay. Then Mr. Modi. And second man, I will take Arun Jaitley. Now he is late. He has died. Third personality, I will take Nirmala Sitharaman. All these people, whenever they face a mic and camera, they speak too much. They claim too much. Arun Jaitley used to claim that the greatest success of Modi's government is GST. And due to GST, our nation would get strong. We are financially very strong. I used to say, no, it is wrong. His predictions are wrong. After 2 years, our economy will suffer very hard. Nirmala Sitharaman always claims, after this, our economy will survive. After this, economy will survive. And economy never survives. If you are overconfident, you make mistakes, or your mistakes lets you down. I don't care who is getting popularity, who is losing popularity, but I am concerned why our economy is suffering. We should analyze. Our economy is suffering due to the follies of these people, overconfident people. So, friends, never get overconfident. Never think that you are the only person who can do all the good things and rest of the world, they have no wisdom, they can do nothing. No, you are wrong. World is full of qualified people. It matters not what you can do. It matters what you have done. You have destroyed. Make your mind strong. Make your health strong, friends. Nothing will happen. God will help you. Always remember, whatever you are doing only until you are alive. After the call of God, when you will be no more, you would not be able to do anything. Not even. You will not be able to wave your finger. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching.